what's up YouTube people, welcome back to MP World. In this video today I will show you how to fix your digital crown button. So on my hand this is Apple Watch Series 6 and I will show you very effective method for fixing your digital crown button. So here you can see this is the lock button, and before starting the method you have to power off your Apple Watch. Now you have to remove your leather belt if you have leather belt. Now hold your digital crown button under lightly running warm fresh water from a faucet for 10 to 15 seconds, and keep remember soaps and other cleaning products shouldn't be used. Continuously turn and press the digital crown as water runs over the small gap between the crown and the housing. Now dry your Apple Watch by using any towel or any tissue. So guys, I repeat, it's not hot water, it should be warm water. On my hand this is Apple Watch Series 6, and if you have Apple Watch Series 3, Series 4 or Series 5, then you can follow this method because all these models are same. And here my Apple Watch is turning on. I hope it will work perfectly. Okay. Okay, here you can see this is working very nice. And thank you for watching guys. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. If you have any problem regarding Apple products like iPhone, MacBook and watch, then please let me know on comment section below. I will try to help you as much I can.